Hi guys, I'm Ismail Sheikh. Today we are going to learn about the order by clause using SQL. So first we will check the definition and later we will check the syntax and we will move to the practical part. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Let's learn. So what is order by clause or what is order by statement? So in SQL we can sort the data in ascending or descending order. So we can sort the data using order by statement. So in order to use this statement you can just use the syntax which we will be discussing later. So there are two types of sorting. The first one is ascending and the second one is descending, and using these particular statements you can sort the data. So let's take an example of a table. So let's say if you want to sort this table on in reference with age, you can just use order by, and you have to insert the column name, that's age, and then you have to specify if you want to sort the data in ascending or descending order, and the data will get sorted in that particular manner. Now let's check the syntax part of order by statement. So this is the syntax. So if you want to sort the data, you just have to select the table from the particular table name and you have to insert order by and then specify column name, and then you have to specify in which order you want to sort the data. If it's ascending, you have to insert ASC. If it's descending, you have to specify it as DESC. Now let's check the practical part. In this practical we will insert the table and then we will sort the data in the ascending and descending form. Hi, so let's check the practical part now. So this is the interface that you see. This is SQL Server Management Studio. So I've already created one database named Ismail. So first we are going to create a table. For that we have to just right click on it and click on new query. So first I'm going to create a new table, so let's insert that query here. So I have selected few columns, name, employee ID. Employee ID will be the primary key. I'm going to give it as integer value, and it will be, of course it will be not null as it's a primary key. And the last one will be location, which is a string value or varchar. So let's execute this query. You can see command completed successfully. Now let's check if there's any changes in the database table. You can see employee table is added. Now I'm going to edit that. I'm going to add few values to this table. So these were a few values which were added earlier. So let's refresh this. You can just right click and execute SQL. So you will see a new window. This will be a blank window, and you can now insert few values here. So I'm going to add few values, random names and locations. So as employee ID is auto incremented, you don't have to insert any values, it will automatically get generated. As you can see, the employee ID is getting incremented by 100. The start value was 1000, and then the second value that I put was 100, so it's getting incremented by 100. So I'm adding few values again. So after we add few values, we are going to check how we can sort this table using order by clause. So I'm adding few employee names. Employee ID is getting auto incremented automatically, you don't have to insert that, and the location. So let's see if this gets executed once we add these values. So you have to just right click and click on execute in SQL, and let's check if there are any values added. So for that you have to just insert select star from the table name, that's employee. Now select and execute it, and you can see the data is already added in this table. Now I'm going to sort this table uh, using employee ID, location, and name. I'm going to sort it in ascending and descending order. So for that, there's a different query. Let's insert that. So you can see select star from employee, order by, name, and I'm going to sort name with ascending order. So let's execute this. So you can see name is sorted in the form of ascending order. The first one is Akash and the last one is Shiv. So if we add DESC, it will sort in descending order. So let's execute that, and you can see Shiv is the first name and Akash will be the last. Now I'm going to twist this query. Now I'm going to add employee ID, and I'm going to sort it with employee ID, so in descending order. So let's execute this, and you can see employee ID is 1600 on the top and 1000 on the bottom. So it's sorted in the descending order. Let's twist this statement again. I'm going to sort this with location now. Now let's execute this in descending order. So you can see Pune is at the top because P comes near to Z, so it will be in the descending form, and Bangalore is on the bottom. If we sort this in the ascending order, Bangalore will be on the top. As you can see, Bangalore is on the top and Pune is at the bottom. So that's how you can use this order by statement. It's very simple. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Let's learn. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section below. Thank you.